Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made oxtail pepper soup so delicious and falling off the bone. If you're interested and you want to see how I made this, keep on watching and let's get started. So I went to the store to get something else and I saw some fresh oxtails and I was like, you know what? Oxtails, you guys are coming home with me. And here they are. First, I will start by adding some diced onions and red bell pepper. You can blend this if you want to. I'm adding the red bell pepper just for color. And next, I'm going to add some garlic and a little bit of ginger. The ginger is optional. I'm going to add some seasonings. I'm adding some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, and some smoked paprika. You can use any kind of seasonings you have. It takes a while for the oxtails to get tender, so I'm adding lots of water and I'm just gonna let this boil. I'm also going to add some peppers. One thing I recommend is to remove some of the fat from the oxtails. And at the end of the video, I am going to take off some of the oil from the top of the soup. You don't have to do it, but I like doing it, so it's optional. So after hours and hours of cooking these oxtails, they are looking so good. They are actually falling off the bone. Like, it's so tender, it's juicy, it's just so good. Okay. Right here, as you can see, I am removing some of the oil from the top of the soup. The soup turned out so good, you have to try this recipe. This will be amazing with some broken rice or jasmine rice. Comment down below if you agree with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.